Chapter 12 Acceptance of Deposit by Companies. First, eligible company is a public company with net worth of rupees dash or turnover of rupees dash 100 crore 500 crore. An eligible company can raise deposits up to dash of paid up capital and free reserves and securities premium 25%. An eligible company, government company, can raise up to dash of paid up capital and free reserve and securities premium 35%. Fourth, an IFSC public companies and other private companies can raise up to dash of paid up capital and free reserve and securities premium 100%. Fifth, which of the following private companies cannot accept deposits from its member without any limit? Private company whose borrowing is not more than paid up capital or 20 crore, whichever is less. Circular regarding deposits is to be issued in newspaper in form DPT 1. Copy of circular to ROC has to be filed by company at least dash days before issue, 30 days. In case of default by the companies in payment of deposits, an insurance company within 30 days from rupees 25,000 actual amount more. Ninth, in case of secure deposits, security has to be created by company within 30 days from date of acceptance. The trust deed has to be executed between company and trustee of depositor in DPT 2. Meeting is to be called by debenture trustee if request is made by dash depositors in dash 1/10th value. Deposits received is to be issued by company to the depositor within dash days of realization of check 21 days. Register of deposits is to be pre-reserved by company for 8 calendar years. Return of deposits is to be filed by company to ROC in dash on or before dash every years. DPT 3 30th June. Penal rate of interest in case of default in repayment of deposits for overdue period is 18%. Which of the following is covered under the definition of deposits? Any interest bearing amount received or held in trust. That's it.